Welcome back to the Valarm channel. We're talking about monitoring using industrial IoT sensors, monitoring things like water. Today, remember to click that subscribe button down below and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get updated when we come out and launch new videos like today's video, where we're going to be talking about 4 to 20 milliamp sensors or 420 mA sensors and how they're used by our customers for remote monitoring with tools.valarm.net. And if we've earned your thumbs up by the end of the video, remember to click that like button, smash the thumbs up, help out your YouTube algorithm. This article today is from our blog at www.valarm.net/blog blog. We'll be talking about remotely monitoring your organization's 4 to 20 milliamp sensors with Industrial IoT and Valarm Tools Cloud. Now, what does 4 to 20 mA mean to you? The 4 to 20 milliamp sensor standard is quite useful. You'll see an example in the screenshot of a 4 to 20 milliamp sensor adapter that many of our customers use to monitor things like these: water wells, and monitoring water depths and water levels, not only for water wells, but also for flood warning systems and monitoring water levels on rivers, bays, lakes, oceans, and coasts. The 4 to 20 mA sensor standards, quite useful if you're doing any kind of remote monitoring with industrial IoT. You simply connect your sensor hubs and 4 to 20 mA sensor adapters from shop.valarm.net. Once they're connected to tools.valarm.net, you, your teams, and your organization will effectively monitor your organization's assets, water, tanks, wells, fluid levels, or anything else. 4 to 20 milliamps is an international sensor standard that's been around for decades, many years, since long before the Internet of Things and drones. If your organization is working with industrial equipment and other valuable assets, then you have likely run in to the 420 mA standard before. Here's a few examples of what our customers monitor with 4 to 20 milliamps. Tank levels and volumes for oil, gas, chemicals, fertilizers, and any other valuable products. Flooding, risks of high water levels and early warning systems. Hydraulics and fluid power. Water well depths and groundwater aquifer health, as well as air quality and gases, and other applications you'll see on our customer stories page on valarm.net. Now, who makes sensors compatible with 420 mA output? Hardware manufacturers around the world offer standards sensors that output 420 mA. And since tools.valarm.net is an open platform, you can use any brands of sensors that you like best. Here are a few favorites from our customers that are deployed in the field and remotely monitored. Flowline, Omega, In Situ, and Scenics. By using 420 MA sensors, along with any other sensors you need, your organization gains intelligence to quickly monitor things for industries like water resources management, chemical resources distribution, and supplier managed inventory, your supply chains, flood monitoring systems, pollution and air quality, smart cities and smart water, remote environmental monitoring, and other natural resources. What other sensor standards do you use for remotely monitoring industrial assets? This article is one of a series where we explain how useful each sensor standard is for your organization's particular remote monitoring needs. For example, see our other article in this series on how especially useful the PWM, or Pulse Width Modulation Sensor Standard, is for remotely monitoring industrial IoT sensor devices like flow meters. Have a gander at shop.valarm.net and our customer success stories page for more real-world use cases and case studies. You'll see exactly how 420 milliamp sensors, sometimes all you need to get your jobs done, like monitoring tanks or floodwater levels. And we're quite flexible since your industrial IoT devices connect to Valarm Tools Cloud via any internet connectivity, like 3G, 4G, GSM, mobile cell networks, LTE, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, LPWAN, or RPMA, like Ingenue. On our Industrial IoT customer stories page, you'll see how our customers combine 420 MA sensors with other sensor standards like the PWM, pulse width modulation we mentioned above, as well as RS-485 Modbus, RS-232, Serial, TTL, UART, SPI or SPI, the Serial Peripheral Interface. How do you visualize, map, analyze, alert, warn, get intelligence, or do anything with your remote monitoring information? Have a look at how our Valarm Tools customers monitor 420 MA sensors with web-based dashboards. If you've got any questions, want to learn more about 420 milliamps, or you're curious about what sensors and sensor standards work best for your organization's remote monitoring needs, don't hesitate to contact me at info@valarm.net if you've got any questions. Thanks for watching this video, and remember to crush the like button, help your YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't already subscribed, well, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button down below and tap that bell, ring that bell so you get alerted and notified when we come out with exciting new videos on remote monitoring and the industrial Internet of Things. Have yourself a fantastic day wherever you are.